Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect your headphones. Guys you want to connect guys headphone to your phone, so friends you can connect. And guys now let's see how to connect headphone to our Realme phone. So as I have guys this Piton company headphone, and guys I want to connect with my Realme phone. So as now let's see how to connect. Open your phone setting friends, and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. So I tap here, and guys first of all guys open your guys on your headphone. So as I will on from my power button guys. So as my headphone will on, guys I will on guys Bluetooth with refresh friends. Then guys you can see guys your headphone name. So guys I can see my headphone name, this Piton BT. I will tap here. Then guys you can see this notification friends, tap here to connect. Then guys you can use it now guys, it has connected with. And guys you want to check guys your headphone battery, so friends you can check from here. And guys you can see for calls and media playback. So as you want to pick up calls, so as you can pick up call also. So as now you can use your headphone while watching movies, new song, watching cartoons, serials like that. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it again. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye friend. Before going please go and like my video.